So, ngayong araw, i-unbox ko yung I'm going to unbox the Sony HT-S40R. So, this is the model number. So, this is one of the Sony home cinema or home theater system that has 5.1 system. So, something like under a sound bar, with one bar and with a surround speaker, subwoofer, and the center speaker. So basically this is a 5.1 system, 5.1 real surround. Total RMS, total watt is 600 watts. Functionalities, we have Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI ERC. It also support wireless speakers. So the surround system is it's a wireless. So meaning there is no connection from the main amplifier or from the main system. So the surround speakers has its own power supply. So it's something like this. The surround system. So okay, so let's check some of the features and special functions. Dolby Audio, HDMI and Bluetooth, USB input, the HDMI ERC optical. We also have analog input, 5.1 channel. Total RMS is 600 watts, wireless speaker. So okay. So guys, so tignan natin, let's unbox. Okay. Sony home cinema, home theater system, or soundbar with surround, wireless surround, HT-S40. Okay, let's check the accessories. Okay, startup guide, and we also have the wall mount team plate. So just in case you guys wanted to install this soundbar to the wall, we have the template, so it will help you install the soundbar properly. So just follow the instruction book, the instruction template. So we have remote control. Okay, power inputs. So AV system. We also have the control for subwoofer. We have the preset EQ, music, Cenima, voice and light function, and we have auto surround. Okay, so this is the remote control, guys. It used two battery, 3.8. Then here we have the high speed HDMI cable, the provided one. HDMI cable, guys. Okay. And we have power cord. We have two because one for the bar and one for the subwoofer. Sorry, one for the surround and one for the subwoofer for the main player. Our main amplifier. Sorry. Okay, let's be open. Okay, so this is the subwoofer. So guys, this is a subwoofer. Okay, so this is the subwoofer, guys. So this subwoofer is the amplifier is in this unit, the built-in amplifier. So as you can see, the terminal at the back, we have analog input, which is a 3.5 millimeter, and we have HDMI, TVRC, TV in or touch link or optical input. And for speaker terminal, we have front speakers, right, the red one, and left is the white, and that's the center speakers terminal. And we have the power supply. And guys, so this is the subwoofer. We have AAA battery for the remote control. Guys, so this is the main speaker, the center and the front speakers in one bar. So in this one bar we have three speakers: the front left, front right, and the center speaker. Okay, so we have center speaker, uh, front left, and front right. Okay. So guys, very beautiful finish. So S40R USB for music. So guys, okay, ito yung ating subwoofer for the S40R from Cenima system. So, okay, so let me install first this bar speaker. So we have green and white and red. So basically it's very easy to connect. Just connect this connector to our subwoofer with built-in amplifier. So, okay. So let me install and connect the okay guys, so this is the cable from the main speaker. We have 3 terminal. Okay, so very easy guys, just follow the color. So green to green, which is the center speaker. White for front left, white terminal, and the red for front right with a red marking, red level. Okay. So the surround speaker, guys, there is no connection to the main amplifier, no, to this subwoofer, because the surround speaker is wireless. Okay. So guys, I'm going to use HDMI cable. This is the provided HDMI high-speed HDMI provided by this system. So let's me connect these two. HDMI out, TV ERC. Okay. Okay. You guys, did you see that? Okay. TV HDMI ERC. And then in my TV, my demo TV is the X90 X90J. This is the 4K 120 Hz TV. So basically guys, I'm going to connect this one to HDMI number 3. So this is the dedicated input for HDMI ARC or audio return channel. Okay, so just connect this one to HDMI number 3. Okay, that's it. HDMI card. Okay guys, so let me open the surround speaker. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the receiver for wireless. So guys, if you set up the system in your house, you would like to place your surround speakers to the rear area of your living room or your any cinema room, you have to bring this to the back together with the speakers. So guys, basically the surround speakers is connected to this receiver. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is one of the surround. Okay, so this is the surround left. So also guys, it's color coded, so it's basically it's very easy to connect. So on that plug it just in the blue terminal. Sorry, blue. Okay, and one for the red right surround speakers, which is the silver or gray color. Okay, so this is the right surround speaker. Okay guys, we're done with the setup. So guys, basically this is the setup for a surround speaker, the connection I mean. Okay, so the surround speakers connected to the receiver, right and left speakers. There is a color coding, so basically it's very easy to connect. Just follow the color. And there is a power input, and we have the power button, and we have the link button. In here in our showroom, I didn't set up the surround to the back area of my showroom, so I place all the speakers in the front. So ito guys yung S40R. Okay, maganda yung base. So we have center, front left, front right, we have surround right and surround left, and this is a subwoofer. So let's check the connection. So okay, so I connected to the TV via HDMI, ERC, and to the soundbar. To the subwoofer. So the speakers connected, color coded, and also the surround. Yan. Okay, so let me turn on. The subwoofer. Okay, and let me turn on the. So basically guys, it's a factory default. It's already synchronized the receiver to the main amplifier.